Okay, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to patch this hole, show you how to do it with no scrim. Spin the scrim, that's the new one.
There's 13 number ones in there. We would love you to vote for your ultimate Madonna song. bbc.co.uk/Madonna vote.
Okay, so we've cut our patch, it's slightly bigger than the original hole. Now we need to mark out the hole we're going to make.
Madonna. Top 10 hits, which is the best. Get any success here, but tell us what you're going to do.
Okay, so just put on the beats what table number we're at and see if we get 7.
And this is on a Facebook
Okay, so we'll cut our board, we'll cut our hole, we'll clean down the edges to make sure it fits. Okay, so we've cut some timber, we've made it bigger than the hole. We slide that in, well, it's cover either side, top, bottom.
Yeah, so yeah, we turn it
You're not going to drink half a bottle of whiskey,
So when you screw these screws in, you want them just sunk, just slightly down some.
Tell us why you decided to do this.
Okay? So that's just goes slightly into the plaster, but it hasn't gone through the board.
We ended up and we started out a really rough year back then as well. So just sort of putting in a positive mindset, you know.
So I know you went through a divorce and stuff, did you?
Yeah, basically all in 1 year we split my wife exactly the same.
Out of interest, when you look at the receipt, can you see where the orders are from?
All it says on the seat is basically what's been sent and how much of it.
Okay.
And how much in terms
We're
of
solid,
cash
we're
value,
rigid.
how much have you got then?
Put the board in there now.
And we got 2 blocks.
Okay, so we put our board
You
in.
don't think this happened because you're still right?
You see, just going into the plasterboard. But we're not breaking the paper on the board.
Really, really easy. Just stay, we'll play a trail of the music and we'll come back to it.
Okay, so we're screwing in top, bottom and side. We know that's going nowhere. Timber spanning it either side, timber coming either side. That eliminates the use of the scrim. So because this board is slightly sunk,
How did you put a shout out there?
we'll start from the middle and work our way out. Okay, we get a coat on it.
How crazy! Did you find out where they were from?
And we'll let that dry. That'll suck in. You get a second coat, that'll suck in just again, and then it'll get a third coat, that'll finish it. Third coat will come roughly to about here.